This facility is capable of high precision, high volume OEM assembly. It's completely redesigned for a continuous material flow. And the key thing here is quality first.
This is typically a low to moderate volume facility, very high mix, very high technical content. That is our sweet spot.
From the very beginning, we want to start off with a very detailed discussion with the customer and understanding what the future state that they want is. Okay, so we want to know what the design, why they arrived with their basic design concept, and where do they need it to go.
We are capable of designing a product from a white piece of paper and taking it all the way through volume production. Our capabilities are key upon doing the optical design and optomechanical design correctly the first time, and then putting it into a prototype build and realizing the performance that the customer is looking for at the prototype phase. After the prototype phase is proven out, we go ahead and go into production.
One important thing about our production process is metrology is integrated throughout the entire chain.
Because we're Zygo, we are very deep in our ability to design and develop optical systems for metrology as part of the overall program. We have our Zygo interferometers, we have every wavelength that you can imagine. One of our keys to success is being able to look at the performance requirements the customer is looking for and design custom metrology tools to measure those performance attributes to guarantee that the system meets the requirements.
This facility is both ISO 9001 and 13485.
ISO 13485 is part of our quality system and allowing us to work in the medical industry and having the quality system necessary to show that we can produce the products to the level that they need us to.
We have products that have integrated laser sources, high power. We have products that need to survive a rocket launch and go into space.
We typically focus on those things that require difficult measurements that perhaps other companies would struggle in obtaining or controlling on their own. We have access to the best interferometry expertise in Middlefield as well as in Richmond in the Bay Area.
This is a team of scientists who are creating new measurement techniques. If something doesn't exist in the market, we'll invent it, and that's a really unique capability.
In terms of the capabilities of the site, it really begins and ends with the people. The facility itself, the equipment, of course, are important, but it's the talent that makes all those tools work together every day on behalf of our customers.